From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night? Can't seem to catch those Zs? Well, I've got the solution for you. It's the Adaptive Sound Technologies Sound Plus Therapy, a game-changing sleep sound machine that's about to revolutionize the way you sleep. This thing is a total powerhouse, with 40 Hz sleep machine capabilities, and 4 proprietary gamma sound beats that will transport you to a whole new world of relaxation. The noise-cancelling feature is insane. It's like a warm blanket for your ears, blocking out all the distractions and letting you focus on the soothing sounds. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to set up. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. But what really sets it apart is the gamma light therapy. It's like a mini spa treatment, with synchronized lights that combine with custom beat sounds to create the ultimate sleep experience. I've tried it myself, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. The precision volume dial lets you fine-tune the sound to your exact liking, and the built-in headphone jack is perfect for when you want to zone out in peace. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. People love how it helps them fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Whether you're a light sleeper or you've just got a lot on your mind, this thing is a lifesaver, and the self-calibrating feature ensures that you get the perfect level of noise every time. So if you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, do yourself a favor and give the Adaptive Sound Technologies Sound Plus Therapy a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to improve their sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.